Hello everyone, Josh here, and today I'm going to show you how to retrieve deleted text messages on Android without a backup. Yes, it's possible. And I'll also share a powerful tool that can help. So let's dive in. First, check if your phone has a recently deleted folder. Some Android messaging apps keep deleted messages for a short time. If your messages are there, just tap restore. Easy. But what if the messages are permanently deleted? That's where Stellar Data Recovery for Android comes in. Stellar Data Recovery for Android is a powerful tool that scans your phone's internal storage and recovers deleted text messages, even if you don't have a backup. Just install Stellar Data Recovery for Android on your PC, connect your Android device via USB, enable USB debugging, and run a deep scan. The software will scan your phone's internal storage to find deleted messages, even without a backup. Once the scan is done, preview and recover your lost text messages in just a few clicks. And that's it. If this helped, like and subscribe for more tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you next time.